Hello everyone, welcome back to Relax Your Dog. Today we are going to see the top 10 behavior problem in German Shepherd. Amongst the most challenging German Shepherd behaviors problem are biting, digging, door dashing, jumping on people, excessive barking, chewing, aggression, and even more. Let's cover those details and try to figure out how to fix it. So, the first problem is chewing. One of the worst things that can happen to dog owners is having their favorite shoes, bag, or sofa chewed to pieces by their pet. It usually starts as a way to alleviate gum pain when German Shepherd puppies are teething, but it can become a lifelong habit if not corrected at that time. So the next problem is biting. Biting is similar to chewing. It begins when a puppy goes into the teething phase and can be carried into adulthood. When this happens, your dog might nip you on your hand and feet or bite other people's and animal. Having a GSD with biting problem can be dangerous since those dogs have strong jaws that produce a large amount of force. Pro tip: how to train a German Shepherd puppy not to bite. If your German Shepherd bites you, you may trick this. Pull your hand out of him after that and tell him no. Then walk away and stop playing with him. And he loves to play. By repeating this ritual, you will make him associate biting with no play. Consistency is crucial for this training, though you will need to repeat the method you prefer several times before you succeed in stopping your German Shepherd from biting. And don't forget to treat the pup if he does the right things. We suggest using the Power Bites by Merrick. Those are made from real meat, and German Shepherds in particular seems to like it a lot, and they have glucosamine added. The third problem is jumping on people. If you say "oh" when a German Shepherd puppy jumps up on people's leg, it's time to stop. This makes him think that this negative behavior is acceptable and encourages him to continue this bad habit as he grows up. Over time, he will become a muscular, full grown GSD who loves jumping on your visitor and giving them a fright. Pro tip to handle this: how to stop German Shepherd from jumping over the fence. Boredom is the main reason why jumping is happening. German Shepherds are the breed that craves to be around his family and play. These dogs also require physical and mental exercise daily. Just being out in the yard does not offer them any organized physical activity or mental exercise. It's a boring thing. Outside the fence, there are more new things, other animal, yummy things to sniff, and stuff to see. That's why they are running away. If you want to assure the safety of your pup, create a suitable dog kennel with a roof, or you don't want to present. The fourth problem is digging. A German Shepherd who loves to dig can rake your garden in just a few days. He can also put himself at risk, especially if he would dig under the fence and escape out into the street. Digging can be caused by many reasons. For instance, your dog might be bored and or wanted to get your attention. So it's best to understand why he liked to dig before you address the issue. On number 5 is the door dashing. Sometimes they try to run out of the door as soon as it opens. It's one of the most common German Shepherd behavior problems that can be dangerous since they can knock over the person who is opening the door and escape out into the street where they can hurt other people or injure themselves. On number 6 is excessive barking. That can happen when your GSD hears strange noises, people threatened by someone or something, or sees a person entering your property. It can also be brought about by separation anxiety or desire to get your attention and feeling of loneliness and isolation. Each causes requires a different approach. So, before you can solve your pet's excessive barking issue, you first need to know why he feels the need to bark for hours in the first place. On number 7 is disobedience. German Shepherds are naturally self assured and independent, and they find it easy to disobey this owner. They can be a huge problem. After all, who wants to have a large, active, and muscular dog who doesn't ever listen to them? To avoid this issue, you need to show your dog that you are the leader in your pack and that he shows to submit to you. GSGs required respect authority and will want to follow your instructions. So the next is dominating behavior. GSGs are born to be the leader in the pack. So when you get one, he immediately thinks of your family as a pack and instinctively wants to become the alpha. You don't want this to happen though, since this makes your pet think that it's acceptable to bite, bark excessively, and even charge at you and your loved ones. You have to firmly establish on day one that you are the leader and that your dog should respect you. So the ninth is aggression. Aggression comes naturally to German Shepherds. This is what makes them great police dogs. However, this behavior has no place in a home. Signs of aggression include chasing other pets while continuously barking, snapping at you when you try to correct his behavior, and growling at you when you attempt to touch him. The 10th is overprotectiveness. German Shepherds, as mentioned above, are pack animals as they make it their duty to protect the pack. So when your dog feels like you are or your family are threatened, he will do his best to protect you from the threat, whether it's real or not. That can mean snapping at the mailman or charging at the people who visit you. How to fix German Shepherd behavior issue? Here is the pro tip. It's not easy to solve all the problems at once, but this doesn't mean it's impossible. With enough patience and efforts, you can help your dog correct his negative behaviors and transform into a well-mannered pet. This information is very specific and technique and theory, and there is thorough background on the history of the German Shepherd dog as well as modern standards and practice. So for any German Shepherd owners, it will be an immense help on training the pups. German Shepherd behavioral problems can be solved easily if the Shepherd is correctly trained. You should handle every situation very carefully because every problem will have different solutions. So folks, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Till then, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any other video of our channel Relax Your Dog. Take care.